Hi, everybody, and welcome to our random team draw for NFL break number 30. That break is going to happen tomorrow night at 9 p.m. Eastern. But we're going to do our random team draw in a minute or two. And then we'll give you 24 hours if you want to make any trades. You can do that. If you're on Facebook, you can use the comment section on there. If you're on YouTube, use the comment section on there. And if I see any, I will cross-mention them between the two sites, between our Facebook group and our YouTube group for any trades. Hopefully we can see on here, just to go through. We got our 32 teams and our 32 participants. Just going to go through those, and then we'll randomize them all. We got Joseph C., Chad P., Scott R., Donnell with 2 spots, Tony with 4, and I know a couple of you have a couple more. I just did them as they came in, so you just might be further down the list if you have more spots than that. Kent G with 2 spots, Russell, Lucas with 4, Jason Y, UET with 2 spots, Ben P, Richard A, Kyle F with 2 spots, Tyson, Josh, Joseph C with 3 spots, and Tony with 4 spots. All right, so what we'll do is we'll use our random.org, and we'll randomize the teams first. They'll go in column D. Then we'll randomize our participants. They'll go in column E. I will read them off for everybody so you know who you got. And then, like I said, you can do trades. Just make sure, about 5 minutes before the break tomorrow night, I know of any trades, so that way I can put them into our spreadsheet. So let me just copy our teams in there. And we'll randomize, see how many times we're going to roll the dice. 6. So we'll randomize it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 more. So there's our randomized teams. So let me just copy and paste them into our spreadsheet. And then our participants. And we'll roll our dice one more time. And that's a 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 more. Good luck to everybody. And we'll copy and paste them in, and I'll let you know which teams you have. All right, so we got Joseph with the Patriots, Lucas with the Cowboys, Uwe with the Jets, Tony with the Panthers, Lucas with the Eagles, Russell with the Falcons, Tony with the Raiders, Chad with the Broncos, Chiefs, Lucas, Tony with the Bills, Kyle with the Jaguars, Lucas with the Bears, Richard with the Browns, Kent with the Steelers. 1 second. Tickling my throat tonight. Tony with the Giants, Don with the Bengals, Josh with the Chargers, Tony with the Vikings, Jason with the Packers, Joseph with the Ravens, Uwe with the 49ers, Tyson Buccaneers, Don with the Saints, Tony's got Texans and Titans. Kyle with the Seahawks. Tony, Cardinals. Sorry. Joseph with the Commanders. Kent with the Colts. Scott with the Lions. Ben with the Rams. And Joseph with the Dolphins. All right, I will have this posted on our Facebook page, the list. So if you want to look at it from there. Again, we can make trades over the next 24 hours. And hopefully I won't have this tickle tomorrow night. But I will see you all tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern. Thank you.